Diploma. Today I will make video conversation with MS student. So could you introduce yourself?
Oh, well, Sister Dea here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adya Ditama. I'm from Mastering System Program. So, what will you do with this video, Sister Dea?
We will talk about
My idol. Wow. All right, that's a very interesting topic. My idol. So, I'm very curious about this topic. So, could you tell me about your idol?
my idols are Dynamite and those do you know the Mr.
Who is he? Man or woman?
Man and woman.
Man and woman.
Dynamite and those
Indonesian people?
no,
Chinese people?
they are actor from China.
Oh, Chinese. So, why the?
The first drama is very handsome.
Very handsome. So,
I like drama. The first I watch his drama.
I see. You watch the drama.
Yes. I like when he wears handful with accessories on his head and
Alright, that's the one. So the second person is?
it's the loser.
Uh,
The loser is actor from China.
it's the same.
Yeah, yes, same. He is very beautiful.
She is very beautiful.
She is very beautiful and is so small. Cute, you know?
What she is doing? What she's doing that you feel like she is like a smart woman? She can solve problem, or she can answer the English question.
No. He is playing drama.
Play drama, so that's cool. That's good. So that's why your idol, both of them. What is the
And the loser.
Zawuzi?
Yeah, the loser. The
Oh,
loser.
so hard to say the name.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why your idol, both of them.
Yeah.
So that's cool. That's cool. Wow.
How about you, Mr.?
What about me?
Yeah.
So my idol, Mr. Fu. Yeah, the complete name is what I'm talking. Yeah. As always, it's common called here as Mr. Fu. Mr. Fu is my teacher. She's kind of people like have energy, have brilliant idea, have dedication for music and this work. So, like right now, Mr. Fuad is in Sumbar, Tanah. So he can move to the other place to the other place like have a big energy. So that's why I like him. Mr. Fu is my idol actually.
Okay.
He is kind of smart person, and can learn fast about the language. Like he learns so fast Vietnamese, he learns so fast, and Germany, he learns so fast about, yeah, of course English, and then Arabic, and then Korean. So a lot of language he can speak.
All.
Not all, but a lot. So, that's
Okay, because I'm in love with that.
all time is over.
Yeah.
Right, well,
Okay, that's all from us. The last message.
wassalamualaikum